Yo, just arrived to Berawa. Seems quite busy actually around, but I'm not talking about it's busy or quiet today. However, what's happened here yesterday? No, there was not tsunami here yesterday. However, the big bulldozer was here. And do you remember maybe all the warungs where we were here like with Winnie maybe a month ago, maybe 6 weeks ago? We're having like a bintang and dinners, the soup, everything is gone. Unfortunately, as we talked about that before, every single warung was just destroyed and the owners has to move. Because just behind me, there is the construction of the Holy Wings Beach Club. So that's how it is. There's no more local warungs in Berawa. However, I think this is the place where I used to vlog last time, and the construction of the beach club is very advanced. I'm gonna go inside for sure. They're gonna open. However, very sad views, and it's actually sad when everything has gone, and also when it's gone, there's no people anymore, and I don't know. It's just the end of another era. So many changes in Bali. Yeah. What I can say, looks like this. Anyway, the beach club of Holy Wings will be finished, I don't know when, somewhere in July or August. They said middle of 2021, 22. This is only what left. Somebody put here the warung. There's some foreigner, international tourists, local ladies still dealing. Yeah, a few people still. The interest was very nice, and there's Saint-Tropez and of course the Finns. So technically full entire Berawa coast. Berawa beach is reserved officially right now for the fancy beach clubs. First Finns, then Saint-Tropez, then Holy Wings, and just behind actually is V8 as well. I'm gonna show you now. So like full beaches, the beach clubs right now. No, nothing local anymore. And regarding my yesterday's video from Uluwatu have a better looking beach, better looking water and landscapes, the same sunset, and so many local warungs. Just keep it in mind. Nice. That's how it looks like, the world. I'm gonna show you inside the Finns beach club from the beach. It's so busy actually. There is something local left still. Doggo is running. Finns seems also gonna get some refurbishments, and that's the launch of the Finns Beach Club. So many tourists actually around. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Doggo? So, something local. What's still left is this part over here, the entrance to the beach. Somebody put some bean bags and selling some coconuts. Some people trying to sell you something. And there at the front is the hotel, and then when the hotel, well, people sitting outside, they have some warungs, so it's that's it. You wanna go there? There is the tower. It's another beach club, by the way. Hello, how are you, my friend? Good, Corn guy. Good. How is the business? All good?
Start to the business. Maybe later.
Maybe later. All right. Okay. Take care. Good luck to you. You're welcome. Thank you. Same to you. And another one. Yo. And there are some surfers here coming. Only one warung here left. Good thing is for sure there are some international tourists in Canggu, but that's actually the most busiest part right now. Beautiful sunset it's gonna be. And just behind me is the another beach club. So technically here is another beach club. They're supposed to be a warungs, but they are also demolished because I don't know. Currently there is no local warungs in Berawa, in Canggu. People still drinking bintang next to the ruins. And at the front is V8 beach club. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Don't wanna walk there. I'm gonna zoom it only for you. This is the older beach club. There are some people, and if you're gonna walk straight, there's already W Seminyak and Seminyak Petit Denget. There are obviously many reasons why they demolished these warungs. First of all, one of the main reasons was as they are too close to the shore, which is somehow logically makes sense. But also the second reason is as there was temporary warung without the permits and without any registrations. However, the beach club have all the paperwork to have it. And the third reason is beach club or any other big institution cannot have a warung next to at the front of the beach club, and that's pretty also logic thing. However, it's just simply sad. I'm not saying SS is bad or good, it's just sad. That's how the Bali evolve in their way. What I can say. That's sad to see. Anyway, that's the future of Canggu. Either we like it or not, at least if the local people are happy, they get so many new jobs and everything, why not? What I can say, that's how it is. Guys, thank you so much for listening and watching today. That's it from me, a little bit shorter today. I'll see you tomorrow on next one with something maybe more optimistic vibe. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about that. See you tomorrow.